behalf of my craft committee to this of the final program of the craft. And today we have all the students of this craft team who worked really very hard and they gave their best in this program. And we all are very proud of everybody here. So I hand over my I am just passing my the hosting thing to my co-host here, Tyram. So can you please continue?
Yeah, sure. Hello, everyone. Thank you for joining us here. I guess you're not kind of burdening you with this event. So let me just go on. Uh, Let me summarize all the things that were covered in the program. Uh, just a minute.
Yeah. Just give me. Yeah. So yeah, guys. I mean, we are super excited to have you all today, and in fact, there are a lot of surprises that you are just going to see in very future sometime. And we are eagerly waiting for Jayesh Garu, uh, to be here so that we can start the moment. So probably I think before that, meanwhile, can someone volunteer and share their experience on how did you feel about the program, and what are your key takeaways and learnings from the program and things like that. So that probably it would be really great for the time being. Yeah.
Hello, Krishna. Am I audible?
Yeah.
Yes,
Yeah.
yes, we are.
About the program, it was very interesting and it was very exciting to work with the all the fellows, and everyone has a different mindset and research perspective of themselves. So I just got to know and got to know the thought process of a researcher. And also the takeaway from this program is like every minute detail we have to observe to get to the research mindset, and very minute to mistakes that happen during the paper writing or during the documentation or reporting. uh, very mu- very intriguing questions, and answers should be given to be precise to that questions. So that's my takeaway from the program. And for the overall experience, it was very exciting to work with all of the researcher minds, and I am very much glad to be a part of this program.
Yeah,
Yes.
thank you, Sriram. I hope we need to start the event
Yeah.
right now.
Jayesh Garu has
Uh,
joined.
yeah,
Yeah.
as Sir has joined. So let's just start the event today. Good morning, everyone. My name is Komal Vyas, and I'm gonna host today's event. I highly welcome you all to this valedictory ceremony of India's first and finest Computational Research and Analysis Fellowship 2020, that is in collaboration with Telangana State Innovation Cell. And we're gonna make this one as the global capital of intellectual property, entrepreneurship, and innovation. So let me just take back you to the time where COVID hit the world, and it was a very big pandemic, which has brought a very big pause in knowledge gaining. And here are we, the Published Sutra, to give a very beautiful program and experience to different students in the research paper. We are very proud of Published Sutra that they never compromises in bringing up an effective interaction with the learners as well as the scholars. We are looking for innovation era from a fellowship where fellows can gain their ideas and everything can be put and just start their kickstart with some research. So today we have a very successful person here, and Jashan sir. So are we audible here for you? So can you hear us?
I think
Yes. All of you are very audible. Please go ahead.
Yeah, thank you so much, sir. So before starting the event, I'm just going to give a brief introduction of what this program is about and what Public Sutra is. So coming to craft is a very prestigious project that was started by Public Sutra in collaboration with Telangana State Innovation Cell. We are here to make a big difference in current times, to raise the bar and make the people understand with different industries and with different areas of research and development. Public Sutra was founded by the group of Indian research scholars from the University of Massachusetts, USA, along with few technology thought leaders to bring a change in current research and innovation system in India. Our main vision is to find the finest research and consulting communities and remove all the hierarchies that are involved in the process of scientific oriented methodology and also cater the needs of all the organizations in the complete research ecosystem. We are here when I come to the journey of craft, what craft is all about, it's a selection process which wasn't easy at all. It was a complete four-step procedure where we received 3,000 plus applications, and it was very difficult for us to just pick few among them, and we tried to identify the few students, like the working students, the professionals, the educators, and we have shortlisted 300 candidates for the face-to-face interview. After that, we have selected 21 amazing individuals from the pool of applicants with different skill sets and unique skills and with who is having aspiration and inspiration to do so much of research. So here are we today in front of you. So craft is all about making more research entrepreneurs, and it's all about key determinology towards the analytical and research skills, which is most important thing to survive in this 21st century. As we all know, world is full about data. It's a thing that we just need to know how to properly utilize the data. So I now pass on to my co-host Sai so that we can continue the event. Thank you so much.
Yeah, thanks, Kamal. Hello, everyone. I'm Saram Koripalli, and I'm Program Manager of Craft. Thanks a lot for joining us for the event. Let me summarize all the things that were covered in the program. The entire course timeline was distributed across 8 weeks, of which the first 2 weeks were focused on introducing and understanding the importance of research, academic writing, and communication. The next 2 weeks were dedicated to the rural innovation case study. Basically, as a part of our flagship program, Craft, we have created a platform and provided a middle ground to our research students and innovators. The purpose to implement this hybrid learning model is to facilitate the knowledge transfer between rural innovators and research fellows. In this project, various rural innovators were assigned to the students. They had their induction calls with the innovator, where they learned about the person as well as their innovation. This communication helped the fellows to understand the thought process of an innovator, to identify the real problem underlying in front of everyone, and how to solve it at a very economical price. Their approach to the problem and the ways they have identified to provide a solution gave them an immense experience and also influenced them to think with an innovative mindset. They studied the entire innovation and prepared a project report with all the details that now can be acted as a reference document. It was, in fact, an experiment that was boldly taken by a team, and TSSC has helped us in every step to make it a success. Moving on, the later 2 weeks were entirely focused on the practical approach to theoretical learning they have undergone by introducing the basics of Python programming language. And in the last 2 weeks, by considering the field in which a student is interested, mentors were assigned for each student in working over a problem statement of their choice and come up with a research paper. Apart from these, we held debates and guest lectures with the intention to develop synergy among the students and influence them to think and plan in a better way. This pretty much sums up everything about what happened in the program. All right, instead of we speaking about everything, like we would like our students to actually present their experience over here. Shiva Sankeet, are you over here on the call? Yeah, please go on.
Yeah, firstly, I would like to thank the whole craft team for putting up the learning program and for doing all equally valuing. Coming to the program.
Shiva, I think we can't hear you properly.
Yes, there is some network issue with Shiva Sankirtana. Can we ask some other person to just give their experience, share their experience?
Yeah, is Shushma on the call?
Yeah, Sairam.
Yeah,
I'm
please
here.
go on,
Yeah.
Sushma.
Hi everyone, good afternoon. I'm Sushma from Warangal, currently working as a programmer analyst in Tata Consultancy Services. When I have come across this craft program, the most interesting thing which I have found is Rural Innovation Program. Firstly, I would like to thank Animam for this. And next, I found it interesting because when I was in my graduation, I also worked in Technology Entrepreneurship Program, which is conducted by ISB. There we have worked in same like agricultural domain and innovation thing. So we have got certified for that. The same thing on same parallel lines here in rural innovation program. We have worked with one of the youngest rural innovator, Ashok Gurre, about his innovation like multi-purpose utility vehicle. There we have worked like we have got to know each and every detail about his innovation, and we have supported him with the ideas like few new ideas to incorporate into his innovation and all. And I would like to thank our mentor Aishwarya for providing us constant support throughout the rural innovation program. And not only that, apart from rural innovation program, in this craft program, I also learned about research work, paperwork, how to do that and all from Ankit sir mainly. I'd like to thank him. And not only that, it also provided us with a few computer languages like Python. We have also learned it. So I would like to thank Abhinav sir for that. And especially I would like to thank each and every member of craft team for organizing and making this event more successful. And especially I would like to thank Krishna for his constant support throughout the program. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Sushma. It was a
Komal,
very big achievement. Yeah, sorry.
before just you can just continue. Cool. Yeah.
Yeah, it was a very big achievement for all of us, getting a very good feedback from the students, because our main motto was to make each and every student, like we want just everybody to gain different skills and gain much more knowledge on what research is, because that is more important in today's world. And we have also Abhikirtana to just give to share his experience. Is he available here?
Yeah, I'm here.
Yeah, I request you to please share your experience on how the craft program was and what knowledge and what skills you gained from this program, how important it was in your life.
Sure. First of all, thank you for the dias for giving me this opportunity, and thank you, J.S. Chandan sir, for being available. It's been a true honor to get a convocation from your hands. For that, thank you so much, sir. Thank you, Annie ma'am. It's been a really great opportunity working under you. And first of all, and last but not least, thank you, the craft committee, for getting a more memorable, one of the you know prestigious programs, one of the prestigious research programs that we are available to go to. Coming to craft program, I'm a high school senior, and I'm completing my 12th class right now. And you might be wondering why I would be coming to a research program like this. Even I wondered why I would be running to a research program like this. But to be honest, this added a value to my experience. This added to a memorable knowledge, a memorable value onto my profile. I respect the value that this program gave me, because this came out of nowhere, that I really just want to go there. Out of 4,300 some kind of members, I got selected with you brilliant minds around the country. So I think that's really wonderful for me and you when I got selected to this program. That was a bliss for myself. Coming to the program, though it was the highest level of intense program that I have ever attended in my life so far, because the renowned instructors we have, the renowned research programmers we have, the renowned entrepreneurs we found in this journey, those people are amazing. They are someone we always aspire to meet, but unable to. But again, thanks for the craft committee for giving us an opportunity to meet them. And yeah, I think if I would recommend this craft program, I would recommend for every person between a high school to his his research career. If someone was pursuing a research career, or someone want to have a successful or a reputed research career, then I would definitely say craft is something which they have to go to. So I think that's the only that's the only definition for me of craft. Yeah. And once again, thank you, Jayashandan sir.
Yeah. So hope I'm audible, right?
Yes, you're audible.
Cool. So before just getting started with Jayesh Garu, let's ask one of the mentor that who has been mentoring. So probably we can call Dr. Shyam Sundar Garu, who is a dean of R&D from CMR College, and also where he holded his PhD from IIT Madras, who had been mentored few students during our cohort. So probably Shyam Sundar sir, you can just share one or two experiences that you have with our fellows. That would be really helpful.
Hello, good afternoon all. Actually, I'm very happy to be part of this your craft program, this computational research analysis fellowship program. And I have got very good chance actually to interact very enthused students. One is passed out from CBIT, Akhilesh, and another is from Murali. He is currently pursuing his BTech from SRM University. And what I have observed actually, this is actually today I have also discussed with one of our professor here. And this type of curriculum actually really what the industry people are looking for. Why? Because if you take any industry, whatever it is, research is one of the main prime motto or prime mover for the development of any industry, as well as for the academics as well. To understand better understanding of any concepts, research is the main thing we have to look into. So, and for students also, this is very good. Actually, I have also, this is the, I have done all these things in my career. And this is actually very important for the students' point of view, especially why? Because they are the upcoming generation leaders. For them, actually, this curriculum and the way you have presented your all these duration, the courses, what I have interacted with our two students which are allotted for me. What I have understood is actually they are very happy with whatever you have thought in your sessions, and they are also very much inspired with your these methodologies, whatever you have taught, like computational as well as experimental knowledge which you have shared. And it is like very important for all, irrespective of any branch, like it may be whether ECE, MEC or CSC, whatever it is. Computational research analysis is one of the best, apart from their regular curriculum. I hope it is very excellent program from your part. That's what, and I want to congratulate you all for your team, Krishna Chaitanya and his team, for excellently they are putting all their efforts in with the fruitful sessions, I can say. And thank you for you also for giving me this opportunity to interact with you all in all these days. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir. It was pleasure hearing all these words and very good feedback from you, sir. And I hope everybody of our team member is very proud at this moment, because we have got such a good feedback and such inspiring feedback from you. Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you.
So now, as you all know that today now we're gonna start the most awaited moment for us. Like our Mr. Jayashandan sir is here. So before starting this, let me just introduce about him, such a very big personality in front of us. Let me just give you a small introduction of Jayashandan sir. Mr. Jayashandan sir is a member of Indian Administrative Services of 1992 batch, and he is working in state of Telangana government. And he is All India topper, and he is IAS batch of 1992. Jayashandan sir is Principal Secretary of Industries and Commerce and Information Technology Departments of Telangana State Government, and his assignment involves developing various policy frameworks, attracting new investments, identifying opportunities for utilizing IT in various government processes, and also promoting the digital empowerment of citizens. And Sir also supports various social, cultural, and charitable causes. And he's also on the boards of, he is also on various social charity causes, including the board or advisory committees of United Way in Hyderabad, Save Charles Hurt Foundation, Young Lives of India, and Save the Children, and various other social perspectives and causes. So today we have such a very big personality in front of us, and I request Sir to just tell the students on how research is very important in daily perspective or in our day-to-day life. Everybody wants to hear from you, Sir.
Thank you. Thank you very much. Greetings to all the participants, particularly to all the fellows who have successfully completed the CRAF fellowship. I would like to congratulate all of you right at the beginning. Also, would like to thank all the mentors who were involved in refining your work. So I'm sure the time that you spent with rural innovators was very, very eye-opening. See, in our country, for a variety of reasons, the entire perspective about rural India, the India which is not very privileged, what is called the Bharat. There are two Indias, as we know. One is called India, which is English speaking, which lives in cities like Hyderabad, and then there is a rural component. There has always been a tendency to look down upon them. There is a belief that they don't know anything, they only cause problems, and the burden to solve those problems lies with us people who are in the cities. But obviously that perspective is absolutely flawed. That perspective is absolutely incorrect. In fact, some people who acknowledge the fact that there is lots of wisdom in the rural areas also, amongst simple families, among simple folk, they have always been proven right. And there have been lots of initiatives since a long time to uncover this kind of talent which is available in the rural areas. What we are doing here in the Telangana State Innovation Cell is one thing, but a lot of work has happened for the last 2-3 decades by so many others also. In fact, one of the pioneers of this is a professor in IIM Ahmedabad, Professor Anil Gupta, who has started what is called the Honeybee Network. And every year they conduct programs to discover some of these rural innovators. In our state also, there are organizations like Palle Srujana. As the name means, they identify creativity and talent in the rural areas. And they have done amazing work. And of course, now the government has also created a very organized platform through Telangana State Innovation Cell. And some of the programs that they have done, they have carried out, I guess, 3 or 4 times already, what is called Shodh Yatra. So their teams go to different villages. They bring lots of volunteers, student volunteers in particular, like you, and they go from village to village. They talk about innovation. And then if anything interesting has happened in that village, those solutions are showcased. They also run a program which is called Inta Innovator, which literally means an innovator in every home. And typically on Independence Day every year on 15th August, we showcase in all the districts some of the best Inta innovation solutions that we have come across. And I have participated in these programs. I have seen some of these solutions of the Shodh Yatras. I've seen some of these solutions of the Inta Innovator programs, and some of them are absolutely brilliant. And we should also realize, see, in our as I mentioned in the beginning, that in our perspectives, particularly the urban perspectives, whatever which is an outcome of some local wisdom or local knowledge, we tend to use a derogatory term for all that. We call it jugaad, that he has developed some solution, it is a jugaad solution. And typically we look down upon it. But if you really dive deep into what these jugaad solutions are, you also see lots of science behind them. There's lots of application of mind, some principles of science, some principles of physics have been applied, and a good solution has come. And the very fact that people who live in rural areas or smaller localities which are not very affluent localities in our cities also, the very fact that they are they face multiple challenges, hundreds and hundreds of challenges and problems every day. But the very fact that people are not protesting every day, people are not revolting, you don't see hundreds of villagers blocking the roads or doing dharnas or doing some agitation for all these problems, is because they tend to find their own solutions. We ignore them. These solutions do not come to our notice, but it is a fact that lots of these native solutions are found. And when these native solutions are applied, these provide some kind of relief also to the people. And therefore, as I said, we don't see mass uprising or agitations which are happening all over the country, because people have found some local solutions. The idea of our programs, the Innovator programs or any other program, is to give a shape to this local innovations, to refine the technology, to improve the product, to develop a better commercialization strategy, go-to-market strategy. And I'm delighted that some of you participated in that journey. Some of you were attached to individual innovators and you were able to understand what work they do, what is the thought process behind that creativity, how did they solve that problem. And I'm sure, while I have not seen what exact recommendations and reports you have prepared for each innovator, but I'm confident that you would have given lots of suggestions on how to improve the technology. Some of you are engineering students, some of you have been mentored by college professors. So I'm sure lots of technology-oriented solutions would have come. Some of you would have also given ideas on how to make that project or that product or that solution much more universal, so that it can serve the requirements of more and more people. So I look forward to getting a copy of what you have written about, what you have recommended. And of course, on behalf of the government and the Telangana State Innovation Cell, we are committed to improve the products and solutions. And if your recommendations help us in doing that, we'll be definitely very, very grateful. But the last point I want to share with you is that let this not be a one-off kind of thing. While you came forward, I mean, there are hundreds of students like you, but only some of you came forward and participated in this fellowship. This is a very positive thing. But as I said, don't let it stop here. The TSIC continues to do more and more such programs. You yourself can think of doing your own work in the areas in which rural innovation, social innovation is supported. In fact, for the last few years, the government itself is supporting lots of entrepreneurship by the students themselves. We know that a large number of students, once they complete their courses, they want to take up placement. But we are also encouraging them that taking placement is one option, but can you yourself become an entrepreneur? Can you yourself think of a problem to solve and then create a small company around it through which you will solve those problems? So continue to stay engaged with the great work which is happening in our state, in the rural and social areas. TSIC will be a good vehicle for you. And I'm very delighted that Publish Sutra has chosen this area to intervene, and they have put together this program. So very happy for their participation and support and partnership also. And I look forward to staying up to date with all the good work that you continue to do in the future. So once again, best wishes to all of you. And I hope to participate in more such programs in days to come. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much for your valuable speech and valuable words, because now everybody has got so motivated, and we are so thankful for you to join, that you've joined such a big program of us. Thank you so much, sir. Now, I request Aram to call Annie ma'am so that we can start with Annie ma'am as well.
Yeah. Thank you, sir. Thanks a lot. That was a very eye-opening speech. And all right, let me introduce the person who acted as a backbone for the craft program, who encouraged us and helped us in every step to execute the program successfully. Miss Annie ma'am, program manager at Telangana State Innovation Cell, Telangana State Government. Presently she's working with Telangana State Innovation Cell in the capacity of program manager, with special focus on building an innovation and entrepreneurship ecosystem in Tier 2 and Tier 3 cities. Before joining TSIC, she worked at Deshpande Society on Social Innovation and Entrepreneurship and corporate social responsibility for more than 5 years. Ma'am, we would like to hear your thoughts and feedback on the program. Can you please share it with all of us?
Sure. Thank you so much. Thanks for having me here. Firstly, would like to congratulate all of you for successfully completing this program. It's been a great interacting with each one of you and understanding each of your passions, to work for rural innovators. And I'm glad to see all those reports also. In fact, innovators are reaching out to me asking, when do we get our report? So that is a kind of excitement you have also created among the rural innovators. And they're so happy to see those reports. And, all these days, it's only been an innovation which is there in their hand, and they are not able to explain that innovation to everyone. But today they have all their documents which they can share to innovators, or maybe to the people whoever want to see their report and all. So they're very happy and excited, and thank all of you. And I'm glad to learn also from Krishna Chaitanya. 6 of you are super excited to join the further journey on helping these innovators, on handholding them and getting them registered for the MSMEs or whatever going forward. So I look very much forward to working with you all very closely. I also want to assign each one of you an innovator to work with closely to help them reach their dream of starting their own enterprises. So that is something I'm looking forward to. And I wish you all the best in your future endeavors. And I would like to congratulate the whole craft team who worked day in and day out, because I still remember Krishna Chaitanya reaching out to me in the morning again. Ma'am, is Jayesh Ranjan sir joining the call today or no? Right? So that's kind of a passion I see amongst all of you, and especially Sai, who bothered me for the mentoring sessions. Thank you so much for that. And Komal, all the time, bringing that charm of welcoming people with those smiling faces. And should not forget Rahul as well. So I'm wishing you all the best. Aishwarya, I'm sorry if I missed any of your names from the craft team. All the best, guys. You're doing a great job. Please continue to do that. And you have many people joining for the next cohorts. So don't say this is the last batch for you all. Okay? All the best.
Sure, ma'am. Thank you so much, ma'am, for that. Yeah, so let me quickly share my screen, and I'll just quickly run through the report of the craft program that which we had prepared. So just do let me know in case if my screen is visible.
Yes, it is.
Okay. And these are the statistics that which we have received, and these are the numbers, and this is the application procedure, and where we exclusively focused on the sustainable development goals, and where we also offered the Pride Scholarship to the students who are actually in the need. And these are the course deliverables that we had done during the 8 weeks of the program. And this is where something most exciting part is the rural innovation program and the salient features of the program. And these are the different projects our rural innovators has been worked, and the project titles and the fellows that are assigned with the projects. And these are the various capstone research projects. I mean, I would like to say these are the ongoing research projects where they are actually currently working to write in the process of writing their research papers. And these are the various projects that they are working on. And this is what the amazing feedback that we have received from each and every fellow during the program. And these are what our future plans that we have for 2021. And this is the contact page. And these are the people that we have met right from the craft inception. And also special thanks to the following members who have actually helped us during the craft. And this is what our amazing fellows of the cohort that we have had during our first cohort of 2020. a very, very diverse cohort, right from +2 to master's level, and there are a lot of working professionals in the cohort that we have. And these are the wonderful team who have been working extensively on the craft program. And yeah, any which will also share this brochure with you after the post event. And now let us move to the most awaited moment that we are all waiting for, convocation ceremony. So I'll quickly share that. Yeah. Yeah. Hope is this visible, right, Komal?
Yes, Krishna, it's visible.
Cool.
Yes, it's visible.
And these are the wonderful fellows that we have. Probably you guys can take a snapshot. And though you had a great experience in the past 2 months, that you all have met each other and learned from each other and experienced their perspectives and approaches, that the new ways of solving problems. And yeah, as you know, in fact, we have thought of having it as a physical event, but due to this unprecedented times where we have moved the complete convocation to a hybrid event, but we have planned to have the next cohort where we'll also call the alumni of the cohort 1 for the physical event, and we would be really happy to see you all in the physical event. And so we'd like to congratulate Sushma Piniti for successfully clearing the Computational Research and Analysis Fellowship. And we'd like to congratulate Preethika Gujala from successfully completing the craft program. And we would like to congratulate Aditya for successfully completing the Computational Research and Analysis program. And we would like to successfully, thank Akhilesh Katse for successfully completing the craft program. We would like to congratulate Abhinay Reddy for successfully completing the Computational Research and Analysis Fellowship program. We would like to congratulate Yogesh for successfully completing the Computational Research and Analysis Fellowship program. And we would like to congratulate Tanisha Reddy for successfully completing the Computational Research and Analysis program. And we would like to congratulate Adra Ayapat for successfully completing the Computational Research and Analysis program. We would like to congratulate Tasmia Siddika for successfully completing the Computational Research and Analysis Fellowship program. We would like to congratulate Abhi Kirtan Rao for successfully completing the Computational Research and Analysis Fellowship program. We would like to congratulate Hanish Reddy for successfully completing the Computational Research and Analysis Fellowship program. We would like to congratulate Abhinaya Rajapu, for successfully completing the Computational Research and Analysis Fellowship program. We would like to congratulate S. Muralidharan for successfully completing the Computational Research and Analysis Fellowship program. And we would like to congratulate Srirang Sripat Rajguru for successfully completing the Computational Research and Analysis Fellowship program. We would like to congratulate Harsha Vardhan for successfully completing the Computational Research and Analysis Fellowship program. We would like to congratulate Gopi Manoj Vuyaru for successfully completing the Computational Research and Analysis Fellowship program. We would like to congratulate Shiva Sankeert Reddy for successfully completing the Computational Research and Analysis Fellowship program. We would like to congratulate Radhika Patwari for successfully completing the Computational Research and Analysis Fellowship program. We would like to congratulate Shrikar Rama for successfully completing the Computational Research and Analysis Fellowship program. And we would like to congratulate Yash Nikare for successfully completing the Computational Research and Analysis Fellowship program. And we would like to congratulate Srimant Tineti for successfully completing the Computational Research and Analysis Fellowship program. Yeah, I think now I'd like to hand over to Aishwarya. So, yeah.
Hello, everyone. Yeah, warm wishes to everyone gathered over here. This is the most excited moment for everyone to know their awards and certifications, everything. And Krishna, can you move to the next slide? Yeah. Now, I wish very special congratulations to the Outstanding Capstone Project Award Technology title developed a new language model to translate Telangana Telugu to English using NLP and machine learning. And craft fellows are Srimant from CVR College and Radhika Patwari from Indian Institute of Technology, Kharagpur. Mentor is Mr. Akhilesh Meghwal. Congratulations, guys. And next, we move to Outstanding Capstone Project Award idea title Clustering and Morphology of Galaxies Image using Convex Transfer Learning and Unsupervised Machine Learning. Craft fellows are Yash Nikhare from Vishwakarma Institute of Technology, Pune. Mentor Dr. Karthik Ganeshan. Congratulations, guys. Outstanding Capstone Project Award Innovation title Comparison of Weld Metal Properties between AA5083 and UNS A95010. Craft Fellows are Murli Dharan from SRM University. Mentor Dr. Sam Sundar. Yeah, now moving to Outstanding Capstone Project Award SDGs and Impact. Title The Impact of Wildfires and its Association with Climate Change. Craft Fellows Shivasankit Reddy, NLP Engineer, Gigbull Consulting, Tanish Reddy from AgeCon Academy. Mentor Jyoti Prabha.
Aishwarya, sorry to cut down. There's certain typo. She's Tanisha Reddy. Yeah.
Okay. Congratulations, guys. Congratulations. Can we move to next one?
Yeah.
Yeah. Now moving to Outstanding Capstone Project Award Research. Title Design and Implementation of Real-Time Charging Optimization for Hybrid Electric Vehicles. Craft fellows of this project are Abhignya Rajapu from Gokaraju Rangaraju Institute of Technology. Mentor Dr. Yogesh. Congratulations, guys. Moving to Outstanding Capstone. Okay. Yeah, we have finished.
Yeah.
And here comes the most favorite part of everyone, that is Rural Innovation Exchange Program Awards. And I would seriously like to say that every participant, every mentor, every craft committee member, everyone were active in this program and successfully completed this program. So I would like to announce the first place of this program is P. Sushma from Tata Consultancy Services and Pritika from Narayanamma College of Engineering. And name of the rural innovator is Ashok Gore and project guide Tanaku Aishwarya. Congratulations, guys. You have won the first place in this program. And second place goes to Gopi Manoj from Tata Consultancy Services and Murali Dharan from SRM University. And name of the rural innovator is Deepak Reddy and project guide Komal Joshi. Congratulations, guys. And the consolation prize, this goes to Yogesh from Madras School of Economics and Harsha Vardhan, SV College, Tirupati. And name of the rural innovator is Chilla Sai Arjun. And our mentor is Rahul. And see, we have noticed several special work from the fellows and we have given special prizes to them. Yeah, for finishing the project with limited resources, Shiva Sankir from NLP Geek Bull Consulting and Abhinay Reddy from AgeCon Academy, they have received the special prize and they have worked with the rural innovator Satyanarayana. And also for detailed analysis on national and international competition analysis and growth of the project, they have worked very excellent. And they are Aditya Rao from IIIT Basar and Sri Rang from R.H. Sapat College of Engineering, Management Studies and Research. Abhikirtan Rao, with his excellent performance, they have received this special prize from CRAF and they have worked with Sridevi Tokhala. Congratulations, guys. You did really good work. And over to Krishna.
Yeah, sure. So now I'm just moving on to something very interesting that we just want to bring. So these are the candidates who got selected for a 6 months rural innovation internship program along with TSIC. So P. Sushma, Gopi Manoj, Aditya Rao, Srirang Sripat Raju, Murli Dharan, Yogesh, and Shiva Sanket. So we're going to map few of the rural innovators where you'll be working with them on working with MSME registrations and also various incentives that are available eligible for these rural innovators. So we'll be communicating the info regarding your rural innovator and the kind of work that you would be expected to. We'll communicate it separately. Congratulations, guys, for selecting for the 6 months program.
Yeah, congratulations, all of you. This is very excitement to listen that you have selected for the internship program. Congratulations. Can we move to next slide? Yeah, here I'm going to announce the Craft 2020 Fellow Award function, that is the Fellows Awards, individual awards for their very excitement, very active performance. And here Shiva Sankit Reddy and Yash Nikhare are standing as outstanding fellows of the craft. And these people really did an amazing work, guys. And Anish Reddy and Srimant, they are having a good leadership skills and they are going to get leadership award from craft committee from craft. And Gopi Manoj and Murali Dharan as an innovation award from craft. Congratulations, guys. Adra Ayapat and Srirang are getting an inspire award because they have inspired many other teams and many other students, co-fellows. And Abhinay Reddy and Abhikirtan are Young Researcher Award. These two are very young fellows in the total craft, and they have did a very excellent work, guys. And Tanisha Reddy and Radhika Patwari, they are going to get an Insecret Research Award from craft. Congratulations, guys. And Tasmania Siddha and Aditya, they are going to get Spirit Award from craft. All you guys performed very active performance and showed utmost interest and in craft. And really, we all would like to congratulate from bottom of our heart. Next, can we move to next slides, Krishna? Yeah. Yeah, everyone are excited to know their individual awards from the craft, and
Yeah,
the awards are
add one
problem.
Aishwarya. So as a lot of students are asking about their
Yes.
feedback and they're reaching out to different POCs and different mentors. So in fact, we had a 2 months of amazing journey. So we have identified each one of you and your skills. So, we just came up with few titles that we thought would be the ideal one. So yeah.
Yeah. Everyone did a good work and received a good according something we have done. Problem solver and risk manager Abhikirtan Rao. Empathetic. Krishna, can you play?
Yeah.
I
Oh,
can't-
1 second. Is this visible, right? Yeah.
Yeah.
Spontaneous goes to Abhignya Rajapu.
Abhigya Rajput, yeah. Uncut Germ goes to Abhinay Reddy. Honest Punctual goes to Adra Ayapat. Inquisitive goes to Adrika Agarwal. Hard Worker goes to Aditya Rao. Creative goes to Akhilesh Kadse. Mr. Cool goes to Hanish Reddy. Critical Thinker Gopi Manoj. Active Listener GS Yogesh. Passionate and Proactive Yash Nikhare. Yeah, Rising Star, Harsha Vardhan, Analytical Thinker, Pritika Gujala, Multitasker, Radhika Patwari, Innovative Fellow, S. Muralidhan, The Academic, Sandeep P., and Initiator and Forward Thinker, Shiva Sankit, Determined, Srirang and Sripad, The Most Creative, Speaker Rama, Jack of All Trades, Srimant Teneti, The Kindest, Sushma P., Achiever, Tanisha Reddy, Bold, Tasmania Siddha. Yeah. So I think everyone are happy to listen their names.
Yeah, that's all, guys. I hope we really hope that you all enjoyed this virtual convocation.
Yes.
Yeah. So I think Radhika had missed. So probably Radhika, you want to share any feedback or something like that?
Sir, craft journey was really exciting, and I really enjoyed making like meeting people from different backgrounds, meeting people having different ideas. Yeah, I made a couple of friends, and it was really a very exciting and cool journey. Yeah, I joined a bit late, I guess.
Sure,
So I'm really thankful to Krishna sir, Aishwarya ma'am, Rahul sir, and like I may be missing some of the names, right? But yeah, I'm very thankful to Craft for giving me this opportunity. That's all from my side. Yeah, thank you all. Yeah, I will miss some of the moments and some of the meetings, and it was really especially I love the critical thinking meetings and all, discussing some of the problems. Yeah,
and
but we will remain active in the Slack channel. So that's
that's
thank you everyone.
yeah, cool. So probably Srivanth, you can also share. I mean, like probably everyone can share one by one, like in just one word. So I think we will close the event before 4 p.m. So probably you can just share your experience so that like.
Yes, sir. So I really found the entire meeting interesting, and the mentors were really good, and they really helped us understand a true perspective of the problem, and they really opened up a new way of thinking. And the entire program for us actually opened up a way of thinking that helped us actually identify some problems that we never thought were problems. And I had the opportunity to work with wonderful people like Anish and Radhika. So you guys were really great to work with. Thank you guys. And thanks for the craft team for giving me such wonderful people to work with, and all the wonderful mentorship that I got from the program. So thank you, everybody.
Yeah, I think Murali, you want to share something?
Yeah, sure, sir. So, I mean, first of all, thanks to all the coordinators like Annie ma'am, you actually, Krishna Chaitanya sir, and Aishwarya ma'am, Komal ma'am, everyone for even putting this together, putting this particular event together, because we 25 or 30 people who are actually in this particular GMEET wouldn't have been possible if this event wouldn't have been conducted. So this is literally like going on a talent search, to over the entire country, searching for professionals all over. So that is one very interesting thing that I actually got to know from this particular thing and particular event. And before this particular CRF fellowship program, I had no idea about research. I did have an interest to do research, but I couldn't identify a problem statement for all these things. But after coming here, after coming to this fellowship program, interacting with these brilliant minds sitting in front of me, because each and everyone over here are going to be some CEOs or some presidents of each and every company. So I'm really proud to be a fellow member amongst these people. So many other moments I actually got from this event, and I would like to thank you all for this wonderful opportunity that was given to me. Thank you so much, sir. It was a pleasure.
Yeah, and probably yes, you want to go ahead.
Yeah, I hope I'm audible. So first of all, thank you very much, Krishna, for giving me immense opportunity to work with Publisutra. Actually, I came to know about this craft fellowship when in the month of May, our college has participated in hackathon, actually 1 million second hackathon. So from there, I came to know about the Publisutra, and then you people have organized organized a fellowship program. So from there, I got to know about fellowship. So first of all, thank you very much. You people having met with very very new people, and also I'm kind of introvert person. So yeah, somewhat what. But I want to say that it was very interesting program. I have a lack of experience working with people. I actually love to work alone, but this fellowship have given me teach me that that the teamwork can produce can produce a work effectively. And yeah, in Krishna, Rahul, Aishwarya, and also Komal did a fantastic job to arrange this kind of program in such tough conditions. And so thank you very much, guys.
Gopi, Manoj, you want to share something about your experience? Okay, I think he's not there, right? Gopi, I think you're on mute, probably.
I'm audible, right?
Yeah.
Actually, initially when I was browsing through LinkedIn, I found this opportunity and I have applied, and the entire selection process was very good. After that, brushing, like teaching of basics of research, like from stats, whether it may be statistics or programming or like some research methodologies, the entire fellowship was a good thing. And the major takeaway for me was the Rural Innovator Program, because uh, already being some experience with research, but I don't have any mentor like to identify my mistakes. I just went on writing papers, but I don't know where I was where I was down or where I was up. Like, so in the Rural Innovator Program, I have learned a great thing, like how to use the resources properly. Like, though I have some good knowledge, but I could not keep it on a proper way. So here I have learned a proper way how can we use the resources, and how can we make them better and present effectively. And special thanks to my teammates of special thanks to my teammates like Muralidharan and Tasmiya, and also my mentor of both the program, both the paper and Rural Innovator Program, Komal Joshi and Krishna, and all other cast members team.
Thank you, Gopi. Yeah, Akhilesh Kadse, you want to share some of your experience?
Sorry to interrupt. Akhilesh. I think you're on mute, firstly, and I request everybody to just complete your feedback as soon as possible, because we need to end this meeting as soon as possible. So please, can you share your experience very quickly? Thank you.
I'd like to thank Publish Sutra, Krishna Chaitanya, and all the organizers of this program. It was a very wonderful experience. You started from design thinking, cognitive biases. You took up some really interesting topics for group discussion. Then you went on with data science and Python. So it was the most wholesome like program or the curriculum that I've been through, and I'm really excited to look forward to more such programs from Publish Sutra, and it's an honor to be part of your program. Thank you.
Thank you, Akhilesh. Srikar, quickly, can you just share your experience? Yeah.
First of all, I thank the publisher and TSIC for giving this opportunity. Like, I came to know about this craft program through Indios. Like, it is a education consultancy. The most interesting part in this program is the Rural Innovation Project Weeks. Like, and the challenging part is the grasping knowledge regarding the statistics which stay shared in the initial part of the program. And I especially thank Krishna and Aishwarya for supporting me in all the regards. And the key takeaways of this program is improving my thought process and writing skills. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
And Aditya, I think is the last one, right? Yeah, I think Aditya, can you quickly share your experience, and then we can wind off. Yeah.
Yes, sir. Thank you so much, Craft team, for this wonderful things from program. Firstly, I have learned seeing things in a different way and how to solve in a good manner. And from this, I have understood the importance of probability, statistics, how they are useful in real-time problems, etc. I would finally thank you, Krishna Chaitanya sir, because I have came to know about craft program from you. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Aditya. I think in case if I miss, I'm really sorry, guys. Any which ways, we'll all stay in touch, and we'll all come up with a lot of opportunities, as we have promised that we would like to bring to the career opportunities. So where we have actually added your all emails and your interests to our database, and we are also forwarding to the different companies who are actually looking for hiring. So we'll keep that we'll keep you on that posted. And yeah, Hanish, I think we missed out from you, right? I'm so sorry. I think in case if there are anyone, please go ahead.
Yeah, anyone interested can come forward and give your feedback, mentor or fellow, anyone.
Yeah. Okay. Seems like Hanish is on mute, right? Okay.
Guys, but you really did a good job, and the every fellow spirit we have seen in each and every program that is conducted by CRAFT, whether it is a rural innovation program, group discussions, or idea thinking, or debates. Debate was an excellent performance. Every fellow
ఎందుకు
performed.
టార్చర్ చేస్తున్నావు స్పీకర్ నన్ను ఎన్నిసార్లు రీజన్ చెప్పాలి
Excuse me,
These are
speaker.
since there's a huge lockdown, and we had a good bondings with our parents, and they are slightly frustrated on a
Yeah,
Sorry
so
for that.
yeah, cool. No issue.
cool. No problem.
Yeah. Okay, I think so in case if I miss anyone, so I think we would like to specially thank to whole mentors right from Jyoti Prabha, Karthik Ganesan and Karthik and Satvik Sogaru, who is helping on the agriculture analytics, and there are a lot of mentors that we have mapped, so I couldn't able to recap everyone names at this moment, and we would like to specially thank to our entire craft team, Komal, Aishwarya, Rahul, Sairam, Harshita, Akshaya, and Chandrasekhar, who has been extensive support. I mean, provided extensive support since the day one. And we would like to thank each and everyone for joining us, and we wish you all good luck for your all the future endeavors that you have. And in case, and also we'll never leave you until your research paper is published. So we'll keep on troubling you right from tomorrow. So let's keep in touch and let's do some good work. And
Yes. So yeah, Krishna,
you want to share
something
anything? Or Aishwarya, Komal, yeah, Harshita, you want to share anything to the fellows?
yeah, we are feeling every craft committee, all the members of craft committee are feeling very happy that we got a very enthusiastic batch as our first batch.
Yeah, that too from the India. So where in the previous
Yeah.
where we have international students from different parts of the world, and this time where we have decided that since our organization motto is like making India the global capital of intellectual property, so we felt that we want to make more research pioneers for the upcoming, and due to this unprecedented times where there's a lot of scope for the research and a lot of opportunities that are lined up for you guys. We'll keep you posted on that. So yeah, we would like to extremely thank each and everyone for joining us today, and stay safe and stay healthy. Yeah.
Yeah. All the best wishes from craft,
Yeah.
from Publish Sutra to everyone.
Sai, you want to share anything, or we shall we wind up? Okay, I think.
Yeah.
Yeah, they're okay. Cool. Yeah. Okay, then in that case, we are ending the meeting, and we'll keep in touch on WhatsApp, and we can schedule calls, and we can do a lot more things. Yeah, thank you so
You people can reach out us.
Yeah.
And finally, congratulations and all the best wishes, guys, everyone.
Thank
Thank you.
Bye bye.
Thank you. Bye. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Bye.
Bye. Bye. Akshaya. Bye.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, everyone.
Everybody.
Chandu, you want to
Bye.
share anything?
Thank you, everyone.
Thank you. Bye bye.
Thank you, Krishna.
Sorry, what were you just saying?
Akshu, do you want to share anything to the fellows?
I think most of them left, so yeah, it's actually fine.
Cool. Yeah.
Okay, bye.
Bye.